Today we will walk through the process of configuring your WordPress permalink settings in a simple and straightforward manner. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress homepage. Once the homepage has loaded, you will notice a login option located in the top right corner of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing the administrative side of your website. After clicking the login area, you will be prompted to sign in. For a streamlined experience, select the option that says Continue with Google. When you choose this method, you will see a list of Google accounts that you have previously used. Select the appropriate account to proceed. This method not only saves time, but also adds an extra layer of security by using the credentials from your Google account. Once you have successfully logged in, your next destination is the Pages section of the WordPress dashboard. Look for the Pages option in the menu. This is where all the content pages on your website are managed. Clicking on Pages will display a list of your site's existing pages. This section is vital for managing content, and you will soon see how simple it is to modify content-specific settings. Within the Pages section, identify the option labeled Quick Edit. Quick Edit is a feature that allows for making fast modifications to your page settings without having to open a full editor screen. This is particularly helpful for minor adjustments, ensuring that the process remains efficient. When you click Quick Edit, a series of customizable fields will appear that let you change various details about the page. Among the options available in Quick Edit, you will find the field for the slug. The slug forms a key part of your page's URL and has important implications for search engine optimization and site organization. Take a moment to update the slug so that it accurately reflects the content of the page. It is recommended that the slug be clear, concise, and formatted using only lowercase letters and hyphens to separate words. This practice improves the readability of your URLs and makes them more user and search engine friendly. After entering the new slug, direct your attention to the Update button presented within the Quick Edit interface. Click on the Update button to save your changes. This action finalizes your modifications, and you will notice that the new permalink settings are immediately applied to the page. The update process is swift, ensuring that your website reflects the changes without any unnecessary delay. Following these instructions will leave you with a well-organized permalink structure that enhances your site's overall navigation and search visibility. Each step in this process, from logging in with your Google account to updating your slug via Quick Edit, contributes to a more professional and user-friendly website. With your new permalink settings in place, you are better positioned to provide visitors with clear, SEO-optimized URLs that improve their overall experience on your site. By carefully following the above instructions, you will successfully configure your WordPress permalink settings, ensuring that your website is both organized and accessible. Enjoy the improved efficiency and clarity that comes with a finely tuned URL structure.